Hi everyone, I'm Vivian Suntail, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Prismacolor mixed coloring set. And already I can see some beautiful artwork. So inside we have brush dual-ended art markers, Chitzel dual-ended art markers, and the Under the Sea set of colored pencils. Ooh, that looks fun. The landscape set, and a sharpener and 3 coloring pages. So, let's jump right into it. First of all, we have, ooh, look at how detailed these coloring pages are. They look so pretty. So, we have a snowy pathway, and it looks absolutely amazing. We have the festive spirit here. What else do we have? Ooh, we have a waterfall and like a creek. And lastly, we should have, oh my gosh, Under the Sea. Look at the turtle, it's so cute. So these are coloring pages. Next, ooh, these are the brush end markers. And already these look amazing. So let's open these up. Oh my gosh, they included one of my favorite colors. Look at this, it's so pretty. So, I heard that you had to twist to open these so you can open them easier. So let's try that. Ooh. Let me try this. It acts exactly like a brush. This is so cool. And what does the other side look like? Ooh, it's really fine. You can do all sorts of strokes with these. These are amazing. Prismacolor did a really good job. Okay, let's move on to the Chitzel-ended brushes. And these are also dual-ended. Open, 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 open. Okay, so I have these open, and they have the same colors, but let's see what the Chitzel ends look like. These are gonna be amazing. Let's try twist to open. These are so thick. Whoa. These look amazing. I love how evenly the mark goes on. Next, we have the 2 colored pencil sets. One is the ocean themed pack and one is the landscape pack. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, all of the colors are always on the back of these. So they're even on the back of the markers too. So let's open these up. All right, I have both of these open. Let's start with the ocean themed. Ooh, these look amazing. I can't wait to use these. I love how, wait, let's see if they give us different colors in this other one. They should. Ooh, this does go really well. So this is obviously all the ocean colors, like they're brighter, and this one has the duller colors because usually nature's a little bit duller. Let's go on to the last item in this. Okay, lastly we have Prismacolor's sharpener. All right, let's see what the sharpener looks like. Ooh. It's a double sharpener. That's good. It has an end for thicker markers and pencils. Thicker pencils and thinner pencils. Let's see how it works with one of the Prismacolor pencils. Even though they're all sharpened already. Ooh, it's so smooth when you sharpen. That did pretty good. But let's see how it goes against a pencil that's not Prismacolor. I'll take my 4H pencil and see how it sharpens. It's a little rougher to sharpen, but it still did pretty good. Thanks everyone, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. And join me tomorrow to see what my sister tells me to draw. with this new amazing set of Prismacolor art supplies.